It's a trend that's here to stay, and it presents a fantastic opportunity for a budget-friendly garage business. Custom t-shirt printing allows you to tap into this demand and create personalized designs that people will be proud to wear. What's great about this business is that you don't need to be a design guru to get started. There are numerous online platforms and design tools available that offer a wide range of templates, fonts, and graphics to help you create eye-catching designs. Plus, with a bit of practice, you can unleash your creativity and develop your own unique style. The beauty of custom t-shirt printing lies in its versatility. You can cater to a diverse clientele, from individuals looking for personalized gifts to businesses needing branded apparel for their employees or events. Schools, sports teams, and community groups also present excellent opportunities to showcase your design skills. So, if you have a knack for creativity and an eye for design, consider launching a custom t-shirt printing business from your garage. It's a fun, rewarding, and potentially lucrative venture